Is your bank account holding you back? Ever feel like your bank account is stuck in the past? Stacks of paperwork, endless hold times, and fees that seem to multiply faster than your business can grow? Yeah, me too. That's why so many businesses are looking for new solutions, especially online options like Tide. But is Tide the wave of the future, or just another passing fad? Let's dive in and see if Tide can truly be your business's financial anchor. First things first, Tide isn't actually a bank. It's a financial platform that partners with banks to offer business accounts. This means a streamlined, app-based experience, perfect for the entrepreneur on the go. Now, the free plan might be music to your ears, no monthly fees, which is a major win for startups and freelancers. Plus, you get a debit card, mobile check deposits, and even the ability to integrate with popular accounting software. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But hold on a sec, because free doesn't always mean frictionless. There are some hidden costs to consider. Regular bank transfers come with a fee, and forget about depositing cash, you'll need to find another bank for that. International transactions? Nope, not with the free plan. And while customer support is available, it's primarily through the app, which might not be ideal for everyone. But wait, there's more. Tide offers paid plans with additional features. Think ACH transfers, ATM fee reimbursements, and even international payments. These upgrades can be a game changer, but they do come with a monthly cost. So, the question becomes, is the extra functionality worth the extra dough? Here's the truth, it depends entirely on your business. If you're a one-person operation with strictly local finances, the free plan might be all you need. But as your business scales, the limitations become apparent. International transactions, a dedicated business line of credit, these features can be crucial for growth. Another factor to consider is security. Tide is partnered with a bank that offers FSCS protection, which safeguards your funds in case of insolvency. That's a big tick in the trust box. They also boast strong customer reviews, praising their user-friendly app and responsive support team. So, the final verdict? Tide can be a great business bank account, especially for startups and freelancers. The free plan offers a solid foundation, and the paid plans provide room to grow. But remember, there are limitations to the free tier, and depending on your business needs, the paid plans might be necessary down the line. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to take Tide for a test drive. Sign up for the free plan, explore the app, and see if it fits your workflow. If you find yourself yearning for more features, the paid plans offer a clear upgrade path. Remember, your business bank account should be a partner, not a burden. So, don't be afraid to explore your options and find the perfect fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.